If you've ever felt stiffness in your knees when getting out of bed, or a dull ache in your shoulders after gardening, you're not alone. Millions of adults over 50 experience pain or discomfort in their joints, especially the knees, hips, and shoulders. These joints are some of the hardest working in your entire body, supporting your weight, movement, and balance. Over time, the protective cartilage in these areas wears down, the lubricating fluid decreases, and inflammation begins to set in. That's when daily movements like climbing stairs, walking the dog, or lifting a grocery bag start to feel harder than they used to. But here's the good news. The foods you eat every day can play a powerful role in slowing down this wear and tear, and even help your body rebuild what's been damaged. Nutrition is one of the most underestimated tools for joint health. Many people rely on painkillers or supplements without realizing that real, natural food can have similar or even better results when used consistently. Our bodies have an incredible ability to repair themselves when they're given the right nutrients, especially when it comes to joints. To understand how food affects joint health, we need to look at what joints are made of. Joints consist of cartilage, connective tissue, and synovial fluid. These structures are composed of collagen, elastin, and other proteins, all of which depend on amino acids, vitamins, and minerals from our diet. When we eat poorly, too much sugar, processed food, or fried fats, the body produces more inflammatory molecules called cytokines. These increase swelling and pain inside the joints, speeding up degeneration. But when we shift toward an anti-inflammatory diet rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fats, and collagen-supporting nutrients, the opposite happens. The body becomes calmer, the inflammation subsides, and the tissues start to heal. This process doesn't happen overnight, but within weeks or months, people often notice easier movement, less stiffness, and improved flexibility. Another key aspect is hydration. Synovial fluid, the liquid that lubricates your joints, is mostly water. Without enough hydration, the cushioning between bones becomes thinner and more friction develops. That's why water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, and leafy greens are more important for joint recovery than most people think. Let's also consider bone health, which goes hand in hand with joint health. Strong bones support strong joints. Nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and vitamin K2 are critical. When these nutrients are missing, the cartilage can't attach properly to bone, and micro tears develop, leading to pain. So when we talk about healing joints, we're really talking about rebuilding the entire support system. Now that we know which foods support joint health, let's see how to build them into your daily routine. The goal isn't to follow a strict diet, but to create a lifestyle that naturally feeds your joints every day. Let's start with breakfast. A great joint-supporting breakfast might include a bowl of oatmeal topped with blueberries, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. This combination provides antioxidants, omega-3s, and slow-release energy. You can also add a cup of green tea to boost your morning antioxidants. Another option is scrambled eggs cooked with spinach and turmeric in olive oil, served with half an avocado. This provides high-quality protein, collagen-supporting nutrients, and anti-inflammatory fats to start your day right. For lunch, focus on colorful salads or warm soups. Try a salmon salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, walnuts, and olive oil dressing. This meal delivers collagen-building protein, healthy fats, and a wide range of vitamins and minerals. If you prefer something warm, bone broth soup with vegetables and lentils is an excellent choice. Lentils add plant-based protein and magnesium, while the broth provides collagen and minerals.
For snacks, keep it simple. A handful of almonds, a piece of fruit, or yogurt with flaxseed. These are easy to prepare and full of nutrients that nourish the joints. For dinner, choose lean protein and plenty of vegetables. Grilled chicken or baked fish with steamed broccoli and sweet potatoes makes a balanced and satisfying meal. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which supports connective tissue repair. If you're vegetarian, try a chickpea stew with olive oil and spinach. It's rich in plant protein, iron, and magnesium. Don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water and include water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. Hydration is critical for maintaining the fluid that cushions your joints. You can also drink herbal teas like ginger or chamomile to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. In addition to these meals, small habits make a big difference. Reduce processed foods, fried snacks, and sugary drinks. These foods increase inflammation and undo the progress made by healthy eating. Replace them with whole grains, fruits, and natural fats. Another key tip: don't fear healthy fats. Olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish are essential for joint lubrication and tissue repair. Many people over 50 were taught to avoid fats, but modern research shows that the right kinds of fat are vital for reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. Also, try to eat slowly and mindfully. Digestion affects how well your body absorbs nutrients. When you eat calmly, your body can better use the vitamins and minerals that rebuild your joints. A balanced daily routine built around these principles can dramatically reduce stiffness and pain over time. Many people report improvements within 2 to 3 months when they consistently eat joint-healing foods. The key is patience, persistence, and belief in your body's natural ability to repair itself. Next, we'll explore lifestyle habits and additional natural strategies that enhance the effects of your joint-healing diet. Nutrition is the foundation of joint recovery, but it works best when combined with supportive lifestyle habits. Let's begin with movement. Many people with knee or hip pain avoid exercise out of fear of making things worse, but gentle movement is one of the most powerful tools for healing. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, or cycling keep blood flowing to the joints, delivering nutrients and removing waste products. Even 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Stretching is equally important. Gentle yoga or simple stretches done in the morning and evening help maintain flexibility and reduce stiffness. Focus on slow, controlled movements and deep breathing. Another crucial factor is maintaining a healthy weight. Excess body weight increases pressure on the knees and hips, speeding up cartilage breakdown. Every extra pound adds stress to the joints. Losing just 5 to 10 pounds can dramatically reduce pain and improve mobility. Alongside diet and exercise, sleep plays a major role. In deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that repair tissues, including joints. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night. A calming bedtime routine, dim lights, herbal tea, light stretching can help you fall asleep more easily. Stress management is another often overlooked part of joint recovery. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which trigger inflammation. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or even simple breathing exercises daily. Spending time in nature or doing hobbies you love also helps keep your body's healing systems active. Supplements can be useful, but they should complement, not replace, a good diet. Glucosamine, chondroitin, and MSM are popular for joint health. Collagen peptides can be effective if your diet lacks protein. Always check with your doctor before starting new supplements, especially if you take medication. Another powerful natural strategy is maintaining good posture. Poor posture puts uneven pressure on joints, especially the shoulders and hips. Pay attention to how you sit and stand. Keep your spine tall, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat. Small adjustments like these prevent strain and improve alignment. Temperature therapy can also help. Warm compresses improve circulation and reduce stiffness, while cold packs ease swelling after activity. Alternate between the two for best results. Finally, mindset matters. Healing takes time and progress often happens gradually. Celebrate small improvements, less stiffness in the morning, better balance, or the ability to walk farther than before. Your body is listening to every healthy choice you make. Combining nutritious food, regular movement, restful sleep, and a calm mind creates the perfect environment for your joints to recover. Remember, every bite of salmon, every stretch, and every deep breath contributes to your healing journey. You're not just managing pain, you're rebuilding the strength and freedom that allow you to enjoy life fully. Over time, your knees, hips, and shoulders can feel younger, more flexible, and more resilient than you ever thought possible.